everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Paul Vida and today I'm going to show you a really simple move and it's perfect for beginners. So today I'm going to show you how to perform pancake. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell so then you're going to have notifications when I upload a new video. So now let's get started with this tutorial. So first step, I'm going to step in front of the pole and then I'm going to touch the pole with the side of my hips. So I'm going to put the side of my hips on the pole. I'm not using my spine, so it's gonna be just the side. From this position, we are going to wrap the pole with our inside arm. So wrap the pole with your inside arm. So your armpit is behind the pole. So then you're going to lock your body there. So it feels a little weird, but as you can see, I'm a little tilt to the opposite. From this position, we are going to grab the pole with our arms. And then you're going to practice to raise your legs. Like bend your knees and raise your legs. And come back. So when you feel secure in that position, we are going to move to the other step. When you feel comfortable with the previous position, we can move forward to the next step. I'm grabbing the pole with my arm. I'm gonna grab the pole with my hands so I'm comfortable raising my legs. So now I'm going to kick. I'm going to start this kick with my inside leg. So this is gonna be a fan motion. So that's the name, fan kick. Going to kick and the other leg follow the inside leg. Let's try with the other side. Like I said before, the other side usually feels a little weird, but it's better if you practice with both sides. So let's go to the other side. Let's touch the pole with the side of your hips. Wrap the pole with your arm, with your inside arm. So your armpit is behind the pole. So then I'm going to grab the pole with my hands. I'm going to bend my knees and I'm going to practice that way. So now that I'm comfortable with that move, I'm going to kick in a fan motion. So I'm going to start the kick with my inside leg and then I'm going to continue with my outside leg. So kick it and kick it. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to share my videos and I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much and I see ya in the next tutorial.